welcome back to my channel, guys. So I'm just coming from the market where I got myself some watermelon, some Collaloo for breakfast, guys. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of what I get from the market. It's all fresh fruits and vegetables this morning for breakfast. Alright, I'm packing out the things as I promised. This is the scallion, guys, and see how fresh this scallion is. And my watermelon. Guys, I only got 2 bell pepper because I already have some from the previous shopping that I did. And my tomatoes. This is my Collaloo. So I'm gonna steam some Collaloo this morning, and I'm gonna fry some breadfruit, looking after some corned beef as well. So I am going to wash my Collaloo into some salt water. And the reason for me washing the Collaloo into the salt water, in case of any crawling insect on the Collaloo, guys, because as you can see for yourself, it's just coming from the farm where I went to the market to buy it from the local farmers. So if there's any insect on the Collaloo, after you put it into the salt water, then they will just come off in the water. My Collaloo done cut up, so I'm adding in my thyme, 2 spoons of butter, and some chicken dogo. One spoon of Maggi all-purpose season. And then for my vegetable, I'm gonna use my carrot, which is 1 carrot, 1 tomato, 2 stalks of scallion, bell pepper, 2 spoons of garlic, and my regular Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm finished adding in the seasoning and vegetable. So I'm going to steam my vegetable. Now, don't want my vegetable to overcook either, because when your vegetable is overcooked, it's like you're cooking out the nutrients out of your veg. So just gonna let my veg steam. I'm gonna cover it now. Take a look at my steamed Collaloo. In the process of finishing up now. So this can turn off now. It's time to look after my corned beef. So I have garlic, scallion, onion, bell pepper, and some regular pepper. Guys, I always use regular pepper over black pepper. I'm not a really big fan of using black pepper. I prefer to use natural stuff to cook with, so natural way is always the better way. Check if the pot is hot. Adding in the season for the corned beef. I'm just going to stir fry them with a little bit to start it down for roughly 4 minutes. So next up, I'm going to add my corned beef. Guys, I forgot to mention my tomato. How could I forget the tomato? corned beef, steamed collaloo, and fried breadfruit for breakfast this morning. Real Jamaican way. Best breakfast ever. There you have it, guys. My thyme, my tomato, everything sauteed. I have one more thing to do, and that's frying the breadfruit. So I'm gonna make some salt water for the breadfruit, and I'm gonna soak the breadfruit in. Some person would rub the salt on the breadfruit, so I prefer to make like a small little bit of salt water. So my salt water for the breadfruit, guys. So it's roughly 1 teaspoon of salt. So I'm just putting them in the water, taking them back out, just for them to get little of the salt. So we are just waiting on the oil to hot now. And guys, the way how I like my breadfruit, I like when my breadfruit is turned, then you roast it and then you fry it. So this is the way how I like it. We are just frying up our breadfruit now. Everything down here. Checking on the breadfruit, taking them out because some of them are fried already. Guys, I almost burned up the breadfruit. I was talking and forgot that the breadfruit was on the stove. Thank goodness they're not burned. So I'm just draining them off on some paper towel just to get rid of some of the grease. Guys, my fried breadfruit looking all good and delicious in the morning. So I'm gonna share my plate now. Corned beef, fried breadfruit. And if you like this video, guys, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel as well, also consider subscribing.